Welcome to IFB Spice Secrets. Now what we are going to do today is a mint flavored chicken stew.
Sounds wonderful.
Okay, let me just introduce the ingredients to you. We have some onions, tomatoes, green chili, coriander leaf, mint leaf. Then you have the spices, regular spices like the coriander powder, the turmeric, the chili powder. Then you have the jeera powder. Then afterwards you have ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, all these. And of course, I'm going to use the meat from the chicken legs. A bit of oil.
Direct me on this.
Sure. About 20 ml.
Okay.
Then after you put some cumin seeds, put a little whole garam masala, a bit of cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 40 grams of onions, 3 sliced green chilies. Okay, now we'll add some ginger garlic paste. I prefer to add a bit of water. We are going to put a little bit of this jeera powder, a bit of garam masala, very small quantity, maybe 2 grams. I'm going to put some haldi powder, a little bit, a touch. We give it a nice mix. We add some coconut milk. So we are going to use around 30 grams of meat. Now why I am adding extra water in this is, I want first this to cook a little. So when I add the chicken again, I don't need to add water. Okay? 2 minutes.
What is your favorite cuisine? What do you like cooking the most?
Indian.
Indian.
And next comes Mexican.
Okay.
So Mexican also, I love to cook Mexican dishes. Okay, since now it's cooked, okay, you can see, you tend to add the chicken.
And how long?
Give it a nice stir. This takes around 6 minutes.
So while this cooks, we can go for a walk and come back.
So Lynette, it was a nice walk on the beach.
Yes, that's very pleasant because people should remember that eating good food, you must exercise as well. Yum! Ready and done. That's just delicious.
So can you find the strong mint flavor in it?
Yeah.
So today we have learned a new dish and it's called a mint chicken stew.